So artichoke hearts get used in a lot of things. In fact, I use them in my famous pasta salad. It's like the main ingredient in there. Everybody loves them. You could just eat those out of a bowl. And today we're gonna be making some deep fried artichoke hearts with a lemon ranch dip. Now we're gonna get that dip ready first, and we're starting with half a cup of mayonnaise. To this I'm gonna add about a half a cup of sour cream. Next up, a quarter teaspoon of minced garlic, half a teaspoon of dried parsley, half a teaspoon of dried chives, half a teaspoon of dried dill, the zest of 1 lemon, and 2½ tablespoons of lemon juice. And we're gonna mix this all together, and then we will add our salt and pepper and taste. This is also a terrific salad dressing. You can add a good pinch of salt, a good pinch of cracked black pepper. Let's get a little taste here. Ooh, that's really nice. A really nice bright hit of that lemon, which I love in this. All right, I'm gonna cover this. It's going in the refrigerator, and we're gonna move on to getting our artichoke hearts fried up. So I have my oil heating up. We're gonna let that get to about 375 degrees, 350 to 375. And I went ahead and drained 2 cans of quartered artichoke hearts. They're packed in water, and then I patted them dry with paper towels. And this is what we have. So these are gonna be coated now, and we're gonna make that sort of seasoned coating. So I have a cup of cornstarch here. And to this, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of kosher salt and 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. Whisk this together. Just want a little bit of flavor in the coating. Remember, we have that nice dipping sauce we made, that lemon ranch. And my plan is this: I'm gonna dredge them and they're gonna go straight into the oil. My wife's gonna be helping over on the oil there so that we can kind of double team this. And as they come out, they're gonna go onto a wire rack in a small rim baking sheet to just sort of drain. Then we will plate some up and have a taste. Just gonna get a nice little light coating on here. And there's already moisture on these. I patted them dry, but it's enough to hold the coating. And because nothing here needs to be cooked, these are just going until they're individually like golden brown and crispy. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting them into our oil. I have a little dish in the center of my plate for some of our dip. Let's get some in there. Here are our golden brown artichoke hearts. They're crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Everything here is just looking so good. I can't wait to dive into this. There we go. Our deep fried artichoke hearts with our lemon ranch dip. Let's get a taste. I'm just gonna get one of these. Cheers. It is crunchy, and that lemon ranch with it is phenomenal. Oh. Even on its own, without anything, great flavor, just from the salt and that smoked paprika. But let's get real. We made the dip just for this, and it's perfect.